Hi, good morning, guys. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday, ending up in green. It was a difficult day, as the price action was very deceiving. This was the targets we had yesterday. Like right now, we're gonna take out this purple line, as like this does not have any meaning. So let's remove this trend line. So right now the most important thing is, like if we break down from 2059 or 58ish, like we're gonna test 2044, 45, So this is very important. We are at the breakout point. This is going to be third push, so it's going to get a flush. So many emails. Are we bullish now? Are we this that now? No bullish, nothing. This is the blue trend line. We haven't even tested this green trend line. Even after this bounce, we go to green trend line, I will still be bearish. I'm not bullish as of now. I need to go down. I need to test down lower before even I can think that I can start accumulating these guys. Right now, very bearish. Right now we are going down. Breakout from here, it can be a bounce and this and that. I don't know what path it will be. I don't know. It can take one or two. It can take these many bars, or it's gonna be a flush kind of a thing, or this kind of a thing, or this kind of a thing. But eventually it's a swing shot. A close, 4 hour close before below 2058 is a swing shot to this guy. Like what can happen here is, like these tails, this is a prominent signal that like somebody is heavily selling this guy as it's popping up. So higher side is limited. Let's say it's breakout from here, and it goes and tests this guy, which the probability is null. It's zero. But like let's say if you in stock market everything is possible. So let's say there is a probability that it can go up and it can test higher. This is a good opportunity for you to short, not go long on this market. We have to go short on this market. This is the bounce we are getting it from the oil. Crude oil is giving some life to this guy. So otherwise there is nothing in this. Like we are, wow, this is beautiful. Like let's go to the monthly very quick. Third week of the month, kind of an indecision. Any bounce here as well, it's getting shorted. So we need to test 2026 this month. I'm very hopeful that we are testing 2026 this month, and then we're gonna go down. We have to eventually 1993 is the target. We can go sideways here. We need to test this purple trend line. After testing this, we can explode up and low. Like how US election comes and we see like how things gonna happen over there. As of now, it's just, let me go to the 4 hour. As of now, just keep your focus here that like every bounce we are shorting, like there this is a risk reward ratio as well. This is the green trend line. We just have it here. We have a target here which is 2094. We have an all-time high. There are just few points targets, and we can make a lot of good money if we can scale higher. As of now, like yesterday I shorted few contracts here. Like right now I'm kind of a break even to a red ratio, but like it's okay. It was a swing trade and I was ready to go as up as 2144. So I'm ready to shot this guy. Like I'm making it a swing shot because right now it's gonna get aggressive. It's third week, it's gonna get aggressive, and we're gonna see some kind of a flush here very soon. So like now this line here, this becomes a blue trend line, as the chances of testing this guy becomes very prominent right now. Like this guy we need to test very soon. We can test, and it can become another bounce, and then flush from there will go down. We'll take few trend lines out of here right now. We're going to remove this. It's a price. This is good. This is, we don't need this, so we'll remove that as well. So it's very neat right now. It has become very neat. So this is the time when you can make a lot of money. No targets. Any bounce from here, we are shorting, we are scaling in. How the bounce can go? Bounce can go up to this green trend line, or to this trend line, or over here. Any bounce, in my opinion, I am shorting the hell out of it. I have been shorting all over here, guys, and I have been making a lot of money. I will be wrong once when it's gonna be a real breakout, but in my opinion, right now the probability is 90 and 10. 10% there is a chance all time high, and 90% there is a probability that we are going down. Let's say 80 or 20, let's say 70 or 30, 60 or 40. It's not 50-50. It's more chances that we are going down. So it's very simple that we should be towards our higher probability side than the lower probability side as of now. And this is a beautiful setup. Look at this. We are going down. It's we're gonna get a breakout, maybe a smaller day or a breakout. It's going to be very good. It's going to be a good, like the way we extended here is going to be one-sided trade, and all the bounce we have seen in our weak stocks, Tesla and all that, it's gonna fade. Like we saw Tesla faded yesterday. So I did not short it. I had to go somewhere for some personal work, and I came very late yesterday. But just short this guy. Don't even think. Like it's as simple as that. In our oil, like we are, if you see here what happened, I'll show you guys. This guy, why don't I do this? Weekly, that's not good. Weekly. I mean, if you see this guy has stopped here. So change this line. It has tested 48 40, 48 44. Right now it can go sideways to a some kind of a deeper pullback, but eventually we are testing 50 51. This is beautiful. This is very very good. But right now, as of now, we can see some kind of a sideways to a pullback. So be sure what you're doing here. We can go sideways here, so that's fine. Going sideways is okay. There is no problem in that. But eventually we're going much higher in that. Now the most important is gold. I'm very very bullish in gold. No matter what, how much pullback we get, gold is not an investment for today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Gold is an investment for this year. Gold is an investment for next year. Gold is an investment where we are, let's say you bought a property, and you don't go there every day to the county and see county or wherever you're buying your property, whatever rules you guys have, that was the property value right now. You don't, right? You just buy a property, and after a few years you see, okay, there is a growth, it's growing, right? So that's how this is gold. You buy and you forget about it. You don't ask every day what's going on. It is going up. It is eventually it's touching 1400. There is, I mean, like, again, this is a game of probability, but I am fully invested in this. I have invested so much in gold right now. I mean, like, you can call me SK, this is not right, but like, this is so good. Unless or until we don't break below 1200, there is no way I'm bearish in this. This is bullish, and let it be bullish. Go for it, please guys, go for it. And in ES, let's go. ES is how I will be taking this trade as of now. There's less battery, so I have to be very sure. Any bounce I'm shorting, we are going down. We are testing 2043 today or tomorrow, very soon. Breakout after 2058 is a one-way trade. So I'm gonna focus on this trade. Any bounce here, I'm gonna short and scale in higher. This scale in higher, I can go up to this green trend, and I don't care. I'm shorting this market. Thank you guys. I have a very less battery. I need to upload this video as well. Good luck everybody, and I'll see you today on my Twitter account very shortly. Good luck. Bye bye.